Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about problem solving related to multiplication and division and given you one formula, that is dividend, that is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. What I given you? Dividend, that is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay, this formula I given to you, and with the help of this formula we will check our division. Now one question I will take from your book. See how to divide the numbers, and after dividing how to check the answer. That means 7, 1, 2, 8. One example, 7, 1, 2, 8. Divide 27. 27. Okay. After dividing, question what is written? Divide the number and after then check it. So with the help of this formula, dividend, that is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay. So first you take this number, 27 is divisor here, 7128 is the dividend right here, and read the table. 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54. Children, if you don't know the table, inside rough paper you write the 27 and multiply 2, 3 like that, and see how many times it will be come here. So 2 and here 54, and what we have to write here? Symbol of minus sign. Okay, and then subtract the number. 11 minus 4, that is 7, and here 6 minus 5, that is 1. This number will become in the down, so here it will be the 2. And what is here? 172. Read the table. Then if you read the table, that means you multiply in the rough paper and see, it will be the 6 times. See, 6 7 are 42, 4 carry, 6 2 are 12 and 4, that is 16. It will be 16. Again you subtract the number. 2 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 6, that is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, cancel it. Then next number will be come in the down. Here you will write 8, and again you multiply in the rough and see, it will be the 4 times. 4 7s are 28, 8, 2 is carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. 0 0 0. Now students, first what you have to do, write everything. Here dividend. What is dividend here? I told you na, dividend, that is this number is the dividend. Dividend is here 7 1 2 8. What is divisor? 27. Divisor is 27. What is quotient? Quotient is 264. And what is remainder? Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. Now after dividing we have to check the answer is correct or not. So what I told, we have to write this formula, and after then we have to substitute the values of the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and afterward we will see dividend, that is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend is 7128. 7128. What is divisor? Divisor is 27. 7 multiply. What is quotient there? 264. 264 plus. What is remainder there? 0. So write 0. Okay. After substituting the value, see second step. Write as it is 7128. Okay. Then now multiply this number together and see what it will be. Okay. In the rough sides, in rough you multiply this number. In the rough you multiply 2, 6, 4 multiply 27. Okay, 7 4s are 28. 2 carry, 7 6 are 42 plus 2, 44, 4 and again 4 is carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. What I told, you have to put the cross marks. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 1 is carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Add this number together. See 8, 8 4s are 8 and 4 12. What we will write? 2 and 1 is carry here. 1 plus 8 9 plus 2 11. What we will write? 1. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 7. So what came here? What is come here? 7 1 2 8 plus 0. Okay. Now see 7 1 2 8 and 0, that means same number 7 1 2 8. Both sides are equal. If both sides are equal, that means our division is correct. And if both sides are not equal, that means you made any mistakes there. So after dividing, using the formula of dividend, that is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. After writing this formula, we have to substitute the values of dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and afterwards we have to check both sides, LHS left hand side and right hand sides is equal or not. If it is equal, then that means answer is correct. If it is not equal, that means you made mistakes. Okay, students, see in each videos in the description notes are available. So from there you have to write all the notes. Next chapter, into next video, I will explain you about the profit and loss. That is your third chapter. Today just I will explain you what is the profit and what is the loss. What is the profit and what is the loss? Students, profit, that means if a shopkeeper sells at a price higher than the buying price, a profit is made, and if he sells at a price lower than the buying price, then loss is made. Okay, and what is the selling price? What is the cost price? The price at which items are bought. The price at which items are bought is known as cost price, and the price at which it is sold is known as selling price. Okay, and two formula I will give you here, formula of profit and formula of loss. Formula today I will give only formula, and next lecture I will explain you how to find. See here, what is the formula? Profit, that is selling price minus cost price. Okay, and loss, that is just opposite you write, cost price minus selling price. Okay, these are the two formula to find the loss and profit. Okay, Now in this video's descriptions also chapter 2 of lessons problem solving related to divisions are given. So from there you have to complete your notes. And next coming video I will teach you this profit and loss.